Hello friends, today I discuss about the micro project of entrepreneurship development. My project name is select any product and prepare its cost sheet. So I am selected Amul ice cream and prepare its cost sheet. First one, introduction about the Amul ice cream. Amul ice cream was launched on the 10th March 1996 in Gujarat. The portfolio consisted of impulse products like sticks, cones, cups as well as home packs and institutional catering packs. Amul ice cream was launched on the platform of Real Milk. Real ice cream, given that it is a milk company and the wholesomeness of product give its competitive advantage. Then what is a cost sheet? Cost sheet is a statement which presents detailed information relating to the various stage of cost. It also shows the total cost of the product manufactured during a particular period of time. Thus, the cost sheet is prepared for a particular period of time, monthly, quarterly, yearly, etc. Also, cost sheet helps in competitive analysis and improvement of the business operation through the cost reduction. Then aim of project. First one, to study about the cost sheet. Second, to understand cost sheet of Amul ice cream. Third, to understand about their use. And fourth, to understand advantage and disadvantages of cost sheet. Literature review. Review of literature is concerned with the study of previous research work in the field of chosen research problems and other problems related to the dairy cooperatives. This is one of the most important component in the research process, which identifies research gaps as well as the appropriate research process to be adopted. In order to get evidence with the research process, to identify the research gaps in the chosen research problems and earlier research studies associated with the dairy cooperatives, books, PhD thesis, published research articles and research papers of conference were review. The literature review is undertaken in the following order. First, review of PhD thesis. Second, review of research articles and research papers. Review of annual report of dairy cooperatives. And fourth and last one is review of book. Brief description of project. First one is definition of cost sheet. A cost sheet is a statement which represents the various costs incurred at different stages of business operation in a tabular format. It determines the total cost or expenditure made by the organization along with the cost incurred on each unit of the product or service in a particular period. The cost sheet is a business organization provide an insight into the performance and efficiency. It helps in a competitive analysis and improvement of the business operation through the cost reduction. Component of cost. Cost is consist of four components. First one is a prime cost. Second one is a work cost. Work cost is also called as factory cost. Third is a cost of production and fourth is a total cost. First one is a prime cost. Prime cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expense. Second, work cost. Work cost is equal to prime cost plus factory overhead plus opening stock of VIP minus closed stock of VIP. Third one is a cost production. Cost of production is equal to work cost plus administration overhead. Last one is a total cost. Total cost is equal to cost of production goods sold plus selling and distribution overhead. Advantages of cost sheet. First one is elimination of wastage, losses and inefficiencies. Second, cost reduction. Third, identify the reason for profit or loss. Fourth, advise on make or buy decision. Fifth, price fixation. Sixth, cost control. And seven, have to prepare financial account. Then what is limitation of cost sheet. First one is a lack of uniformity. Second, conceptual diversity. Third, costly. Fourth, ignorance of futuristic situation. Fifth, lack of double entry system. And sixth is developing stage. This is the cost sheet of Amul ice cream. In their cost sheet, three columns are: first one is a particular, second CPU and third is amount. First one in a particular is opening stock and their CPU is 10 and the amount is 10 lakh. Second is raw material, their CPU means cost per unit, their CPU is 3 and amount is 3 lakh. Next one is dry food, their CPU is 2.5, their amount is 2 lakhs 50,000. Next is milk, their CPU is 3 and amount is 3 lakh. As well as flavor, sugar, Other ingredients: cup, cutlery, seasonal fruits, waffle, cocoa, carried inward, and raw material consumed. Then direct expense. Their CPU is 2.2 and amount is 2,20,000. Then direct labor, their CPU is 5.3 and amount is 5,30,000. Um, as in prime Then prime cost. In a factory overhead fixed. First one is depreciation, rent, power, insurance, supervisory salary, uh, uh, variable electricity, and work cost. Their CPU is work cost. Their CPU is 50.395. Amount is 39,500. Office overhead. In office overhead, first one is employee cost. Their CPU is 10 and amount is 10 lakh. In other expenditure, first one is a computer. Their CPU is 1.2 and amount is 1,20,000. Next one is telephone. Their CPU is 0.1 and amount is 10,000. As well as taxes, carriage out, and cost of production. Opening cost minus closing cost. As well as advertisement, delivery vehicles, petrol, packaging rates, profit and sales. Managerial cost sheet. Sales. Sales 92 lakhs 56,250. In variable cost, first one is purchase. Their amount is 32 lakhs. As well as RM consume contribution. In fixed cost, first one is a factory expenses. Their amount is 9 lakh 5,000. As well as employee cost, depreciation, other expenditure, and profit. Then cost sheet analysis. The company is producing 1 lakh unit of ice cream at 1 lakh unit of cost sheet analysis. The company is producing 1 lakh unit of ice cream at rupees 74.05, for which the total constituted in a rupees 74 lakh and 5,000, and the total sales rupees 92 lakhs 56,250, which implies that the profit being made rupees 18 lakh 51,250. The company is producing a single cup of ice rupees 92.5625, which include the cost of cup ice cream at rupees 74.05, which again implies that the profit of rupees 18.5125 is a single unit Amul ice cream. Since the company is earning some percentage of profit above the cost, it means the slight increase the cost will not have too much an effect on the profit, since there is large margin of safety. Since the company is earning some amount of profit, the business is capable to the expand and diversify over a period of time. From above cost sheet of Amul ice cream, I calculated PVR. PVR is equal to, PVR means profit volume ratio, is equal to C upon S. C is equal to sales minus variable cost. Then PVR is equal to 28.86%. BEP means break even point. BEP in rupees. Fixed cost upon PVR is equal to 7,60,568.26. BEP in units. Fixed cost upon C is 8,21,559. Then MOS means margin of safety. MOS is equal to profit upon PVR is 16,519.404. Determination of selling price. Amul ice cream has marked the selling price on their product roughly 20% above the cost price. This implies that the making a profit on each unit output is sold. This profit can be plot into the business again to create the more output. Then actual process I followed. First I collected information about about my project. Asked to teacher. Second, asked to teacher about how to make report. Then I collected information from of project. Fourth, I make report on my project. And fifth is check that report. Output of micro project: first one, prepare plan to manage the enterprise effectively, and second, develop comprehensive business plan. Skill develop or learning out of this micro project. We understand what is cost sheet of project. We understand what cost sheet of product, and we learn their advantages and disadvantages. Application of this micro project: first one is determining the selling price, second one is preparation of budget, third one, find out the exact causes of the change in profit, and fourth is facilities in managerial decision. This is a reference. Thank you.